Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be sharing with you some secrets and tips to help increase egg production in your chickens. Whether you're a seasoned poultry farmer or just starting, these tips will help you get the most out of your flock. We'll cover 4 main areas: nutrition, lighting, environment, and flock management, as well as some additional secret tips and tricks to boost egg production. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Provide proper nutrition. Feeding your chickens a balanced diet is essential for healthy egg production. It's important to ensure that their feed is high in protein and calcium, which are both crucial for healthy egg development. A diet that's deficient in these nutrients can lead to weak or thin shells, which can be a problem. Additionally, you can supplement their diet with treats like mealworms, fruits, and vegetables. However, it's essential to be careful not to overfeed your chickens, as this can lead to health problems and decreased egg production. Secret tip number 1. Adding flaxseed to your chicken's diet can help increase the omega-3 content of their eggs, making them more nutritious and desirable. Tip number 2. Ensure adequate lighting. Chickens require at least 14 hours of light per day to maintain consistent egg production. During the shorter days of the year, you can use artificial lighting to supplement their natural light. However, too much light can be stressful for your chickens, leading to a decrease in egg production. It's best to keep to a consistent lighting schedule and avoid sudden changes. Secret tip number 2. If you're using artificial lighting, switch it on before dawn to gradually simulate the sunrise. This will reduce the stress on your chickens and encourage them to lay more eggs. Tip number 3. Provide a comfortable living environment. A clean and comfortable living environment is essential for healthy egg production. Ensure that their coop is clean and well ventilated, and their environment is free of harmful bacteria and ammonia build-up. The temperature inside the coop should be maintained between 50–80 degrees Fahrenheit. Provide ample space for your chickens to move around and ensure that they have access to nesting boxes for egg laying. Adding soft nesting materials like straw or wood shavings can also encourage your hens to lay more eggs. Secret tip number 3. Placing golf balls or fake eggs in the nesting boxes can trick your chickens into thinking the area is a desirable spot for laying eggs, leading to more egg production. Tip number 4. Practice good flock management. Regular monitoring of your flock for signs of illness or disease is essential for healthy egg production. Keep their coop and surrounding area clean and free of pests like mites and lice. Collect eggs from the nesting boxes regularly to prevent broodiness, which can decrease egg production. Also, rotate your flock regularly to give your hens a break and allow them to rest and recover. Secret tip number 4. Try feeding your chickens a small amount of cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes, which can increase blood flow to their reproductive organs and increase egg production. Before we continue, join our farming community and never miss a beat. Our Farming Know-How channel is a great resource for anyone looking to grow their knowledge. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. FAQs. How many eggs can I expect from a single chicken per week? The number of eggs you can expect from a single chicken per week varies depending on the breed and age of your hens. Most laying breeds produce between 4–7 eggs per week. How can I tell if my chickens are getting enough calcium? A lack of calcium can lead to thin or weak egg shells. If you notice that your hens are laying eggs with thin shells, you may need to supplement their diet with calcium. You can also provide oyster shells or crushed eggshells for your chickens to peck at, which will provide them with additional calcium. Can stress affect egg production in my chickens? Yes, stress can have a significant impact on egg production in chickens. Sudden changes to their environment or lighting schedule can be stressful for your hens, leading to decreased egg production. Additionally, overcrowding or a lack of nesting boxes can also cause stress and decreased egg production. How often should I clean my chicken coop? It's recommended to clean your chicken coop at least once a week to prevent the build-up of harmful bacteria and ammonia. However, the frequency of cleaning may vary depending on the size of your flock and the cleanliness of your coop. Can I feed my chickens table scraps? Yes, you can feed your chickens table scraps as long as they're healthy and free of harmful ingredients. However, table scraps should not make up a significant portion of their diet. as it can lead to an imbalance of nutrients and decreased egg production. In conclusion, following these tips and secrets can help increase egg production in your chickens. Proper nutrition, lighting, environment, and flock management are all essential factors for healthy egg production. Additionally, implementing some of these secret tips and tricks can provide an extra boost to your flock's egg-laying abilities. With a little care and attention, you can have a thriving flock of happy and healthy egg-laying chickens. Thank you for watching, and happy farming! Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more farming tips and tricks.